Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce energy costs with Energy Star, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce energy costs with Energy Star products, start by understanding what Energy Star means. Energy Star is a program that helps consumers identify energy efficient products. First, conduct an energy audit of your home to identify areas of improvement. Look for outdated appliances that may be consuming excessive energy. Consider replacing these appliances with Energy Star certified ones. Research the Energy Star website for a list of eligible products. Next, focus on your heating and cooling systems. If your system is old, think about replacing it with an Energy Star version. Make sure to have regular maintenance performed on your HVAC system to optimize efficiency. Seal any air leaks in your home to prevent energy loss. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal windows and doors. Insulating your home can further reduce energy expenditures. Invest in Energy Star rated insulation to maintain temperature more effectively. When it comes to lighting, switch to Energy Star certified LED bulbs. These bulbs use up to 90% less energy than traditional incandescent lights. Remember to unplug devices that are not in use, as they can still draw power. Use power strips to make it easier to turn off multiple devices at once. Finally, consider upgrading your windows to Energy Star rated ones. These windows can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. By implementing these steps, you can take meaningful strides in reducing your energy costs. Being energy efficient not only saves money but also benefits the environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.